What's up, guys, and welcome to Kaguyama Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing one of Luffy's favorite meals, meat on a bone, one of Sanji's least favorite to cook. Today I'm gonna be... Yeah, it is, yeah. Today we're going to be cooking with the boys.
What's up, guys? Oh, fuck, what's up?
For this, you're going to need
white pepper, garlic powder,
cumin, onion,
oregano, thyme,
black pepper, chili powder,
Worcestershire sauce,
and bone.
By the way, before you cut this, you're also going to need 4 pounds of ground pork, about 5 servings of panko breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of paprika, and 1 egg that you mixed into the bowl without the mic on.
Half a tablespoon of ground thyme,
1 tablespoon of chili powder.
1 tablespoon of white pepper.
God, cooking is hard, guys. For all you guys at home watching this, respect to the chefs, because we fucked up already.
Hey, you should probably
Compliments to
subscribe.
the chef.
You can at least subscribe. 1 tablespoon of onion powder.
You know, sign up for our Patreon and we will send you this meal via carrier
We will
pigeon.
not. Next is a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And I'm not going to measure this out. It's about a tablespoon, I think the guy said. Who fucking cares? Just, that's good.
Alright, you're gonna get a teaspoon of oregano, bam.
Half a teaspoon of dry basil.
So we never got basil, but you're supposed to add a half tablespoon.
Don't worry.
Vic's going to try to pull some from his garden, but I've given up.
Vic doesn't know what he's doing here. This guy, at his own house, doesn't even know what he's doing.
I said we just cut basil out.
No basil. No basil. Right there.
Yeah. Listen, everyone.
No basil!
Make sure you get the right ingredients before you start. All right, we're going to eat basil-less version of this meat.
We're losing the chef title. We're like McDonald's workers.
How you
Oh
gonna?
my god, look at that over there.
Neither one of us look.
I know. Look at that, dude.
Look at no basil. Out of here. He got us 1 leaf too. What the fuck is that?
God, dude.
I say basil.
What is going on? No, what the fuck are the measuring spoons? How much is it? Half teaspoon, tablespoon, what? Yeah,
Dude,
I'm freeballing it. That seems about right. It's cooking. It's cooking. It's all about. It's about your heart.
Somewhere between a half and a full tablespoon.
Just do what looks right.
cumin.
Remember, I think that's
Wrong side.
nothing.
You wanna
Perfect.
There
That
we
was a
go.
lie.
cooking with fucking cumin, baby.
Don't be afraid to spice your food.
Spicy. What is next? I don't even know. You know, we're done.
God, it smells like cumin in here.
1 tablespoon of salt.
Don't oversalt it.
That's
good.
perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that. Movie
That's
magic. Half a tablespoon. Black pepper. That's a little bit more. Who cares? Now
Alright, guys.
it's fucking time.
It's mixing time. You guys
It's
want to
mixing time.
You want rock, paper, scissors?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Is loser doing this or is winner doing it?
I kind of want to do it.
Alright, so winner does it.
Winner
Yeah.
does it, alright?
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Fuck.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright, looks like I'm the mixer.
Yeah, look at that.
Let's get our hands dirty.
Yo, fucking go into orbit out of the bowl.
No, it went to orbit right into my hand because I got such nice hands. You're gonna want to really get into it because it's gonna feel like sand. You know who hates sand? Anakin Skywalker. All right. I feel the egg yolk. It's only on my right pinky, but that might happen to you as well. Jesus fucking Christ.
What about your pregame?
My pregame?
Yeah, do you put lotion on your hands before you delve in?
Just mix that nice lavender.
Yeah, exactly. You're gonna want it to smell like ocean breeze, okay? So I recommend going Pantene.
You're supposed to be our service
Kaguyama
champion.
clan turns
Taking
on
up
each
2
other.
lanes on the
Well,
road.
it's
That's a little callback.
shout out to Service Champion.
Yeah.
Their number will be right in front of me, okay? You can call them for all your fucking needs because they do everything because they're the champions of service.
So how's your guys' day going, huh?
Comment that down below.
Mine? Stressful. So, just like, what's the point? What is the point?
I don't know, that's just the human existence. You gotta let it happen, you know?
Just like the food you see in the commercials, everything in here is not edible or real.
This is Play-Doh.
That is life.
Get what I'm saying?
He's fucking up my
All right.
feng shui.
Alright. Now, ladies and gentlemen,
What's next?
it is time to put it on the fucking bone.
But we couldn't get a big enough bone for all of it, so we got 2 small bones, and we're gonna make 2 of them. You tell them, Sandra. Tell me more, tell me more. I don't remember the lyrics, which is fine because we avoid copyright. Ba-boom.
Now you're gonna want to start wrapping it around the bone.
Oh, it sticks to your hands. That's nice.
So you're not gonna want to put too much, so you make sure it stays on the bone. You want to flip it, make it all the way around, make it as cartoony as you want.
Actually, I would like to address the audience directly right now. I think the #1 advice I have for cooking: be competent, right? Unlike us.
Get your ingredients together. And this is only the first episode. I can't wait to see if the series continues.
Yeah.
Will we be renewed for a second season?
We'll see.
1 episode deep.
So your thing should look something like, hopefully better than this.
420 preheat.
Ah!
I hope you heard that. 420 preheated.
Oh, Luca, it's looking beautiful, man.
Thank you, sir. You know who else is beautiful? Everyone that goes to our Patreon.
Woo! I'd like to name some people off the top of my mind. Thank you to our patrons: Kristanna Grant, Matt Walsh, Trent Smith, Jay Buchanan, Katina. Shit.
We'll just roll the names. Roll them.
If I missed you, I'm sorry, but I miss you, and I'm sorry.
And you're gonna let it cook for about 55 minutes to an hour.
I put it in. Can you put it in horizontally?
No. Now, while we wait, we're gonna work on our glaze.
No, now turn it horizontally so it cooks more evenly. Oh my god, this comes out so slowly.
So for the glaze, you're gonna want to use ketchup. Just let it run. Some paprika, brown sugar, and some of the Worcester sauce. I'm sorry for all the chaos that's going on behind me. This ketchup bottle doesn't seem to want to work today.
It's a lot of paprika.
God,
We're going to add the Worcester sauce.
Just put a.
We need to counter all that fucking pepper.
Worcester sauce is so strong.
He added a shit ton. Okay, come on. Let's not be afraid of the sugar.
Yeah.
And brown sugar.
After the ballsiness on that paprika, let's stir it up. So much of everything in here.
All right, guys. So we're 40.
Just cook off all the water.
No, it's gonna fucking get the pan.
Just fucking do it.
All right, guys. So 40 minutes in, you're gonna want to check your meat, pat it down a little bit to make sure that it's feeling good. Look at that. That thing is beautiful. So we want to tap it, make sure it's firm. It's pretty. It's pretty firm. I have grease on my face now. It is very hot. Don't slap it when you're doing it at home, kids. And Kaguyama Clan did not tell you to do that.
Tell them to add the glaze.
So now you're gonna add the glaze.
There we go. Come on. All right, you're just gonna dump the glaze on top of
Please
it.
don't dump it on me.
All right.
Look at that.
Oh,
I recommend making a little more glaze than we did.
Oh, look at that.
That's
Beautiful.
all. Also, the meat is falling off.
Which means it's cooking.
No. You're gonna want to put it back in there for the last 10 minutes.
Bada bing, bada boom.
And we'll check back in with you guys when it's done.
All right, now for what we're gonna be drinking with the meat, because we're about to pull it out, is Snoop Dogg's wine brand. It's a nice red wine. It's called 19 Crimes.
All right, we're gonna take it out right now. It's looking about done.
All right, now since it's all done, everything's prepared, it would only be right for us to take the first bite like Luffy would. With our hands.
Hopefully it's not burning hot.
Yeah.
Burning hot.
Yeah, it's
It's
burning hot.
sizzling. Take a bite.
Wow, that's so good.
I know.
Fucking nailed it.
Let me see.
High five him.
Big take a bite of it.
Oh yeah, I guess I got it.
Yeah, I don't know. Dude. It's like the best meatloaf you've ever eaten.
You know, that's pretty good. My face.
Burning.
Bestie.
So we're gonna eat this. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to follow along at home, go ahead and do that. We'll be back next. I don't know. Fuck it. Just end the video.
See you for now.